Would you do 15 on it?
Maybe tomorrow.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
You still can't find that.
So if you go up from there, where are you at?
Good morning. How are you today?
Okay.
It's a 5-wheel wheel. Set aside for them.
Here's your good fish for $5, cast iron.
That's
This is different than that? Or
that's
is it going
it's the same company, but the trailer goes with that, and that's neat. Because I've been selling the regular Jeep for 40, and that's just because it's a 5-wheel. But I had 30 for the trailer. But I don't want to separate those two.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna look around some more and concentrate on that.
Hang my butt up in the air.
I'm gonna look around some more.
Sure, go ahead.
Help yourself.
Use one for it. Come on, one.
Have you had any luck?
Up and down. You redid our bench up front, didn't you? Where did you which one you did? The one you did up front.
Do what? Oh, you can just
Cut 'em back.
do it. Just rip them.
How much do you have on these games?
Make an offer.
Okay. $3.
That's good.
Okay.
You got cast iron Griswold mailbox.
You have like any decorative items? Oh, okay, yeah, I did see that. I did see that.
You got some cast iron last week. People from Plainfield told me out here
Look at that.
did it.
This is before the two little things that we have. Fiesta wear.
Is that Fiesta? I didn't
No,
know.
no. This is pre-Fiesta wear.
Oh, is it? See, I
I
had no idea.
think they probably modeled it after things like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah,
And I don't believe that. I'm not. in that
See, I
first-
don't know nothing about last winter. Those are Michael Stewart's called. See like this? See this one? $5 for all that.
Was it like an old telephone or something?
Uh-huh.
Is that?
Yeah.
It's really neat.
What's it sisters.
Yeah, I'll probably grab that. Is this just missing the power cable? Is that?
Oh, Bill?
I see it's got a spot for the 12 volt.
Well, did you open it up?
Yeah, I didn't see it in there.
Where's the cable?
You have to buy a universal.
Okay.
Oh, I started to say,
You can
what
buy
happened to
them.
ours?
Huh?
What happened to ours?
I don't know. I think the grandkids
Kids?
lost it.
That happens.
But it plays.
I've never seen that before. It's pretty neat. Would you do 15 on it?
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. I'll think about it for a sec. It's interesting.
That's made in Germany. Yeah.
You wonder where it came from.
Right, yeah, I don't
Sometimes you see it, you know, more complete.
She might hurt somebody or something, honey. Please throw it back a little.
Stay right there.
81 today. I think that's all for upholstery.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I saw the nails in there for it. Is it okay if I set some stuff down someplace?
Yeah.
It's just
Oh, you can sit here. Just sit right here.
okay.
Okay, he's got a pile started right here, Bill, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I might do tire. He said he put some aside for the horses. Are these the ones set aside?
No.
Okay. They might be out of my league. Sorry about
He's got
that.
set aside. I think he's got sitting up here in the floor.
Okay, I thought those might have been the ones you had set aside, so that's why I didn't.
No. Those are inside. This is 65.
The one in the back?
No, but I can throw it in.
Oh, no, I would. I've seen it, and I'm like a novice.
Tell you what, there's a lot of them way over my head.
You know, and they're pristine. You can probably even find them like some of those are. I like it a little bit more.
Hot. Took a big drink of it.
You know what these are?
Pardon?
Do you know what these are? These old figures?
The whole box is $10.
Yeah. Do you know what they are? Like what they're from?
They're lead soldiers.
Oh, okay.
They're soft lead too. You can easily bend them. So,
Huh. Okay. Thank you.
You ready? You ready?
I think I'm ready to settle up with you.
Okay. So what we got?
So I think this was 10. I'm gonna open it up and make sure. 10?
10.
what you cut
Okay.
I want to grab the telephone over there.
5.
And you said 3 on the game stuff here.
Okay.
5 on these pool balls.
Okay.
And then 3 on the horseshoe set.
Okay.
And 4 on the croquet.
Okay. 10, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30.
30 even?
Does that sound right?
I think so. Let's see.
10, 20, 3. Oh! You want to buy something while you're here? Okay.
What's he doing?
Getting his medicine. Got homeschooling stuff, or it's horrible for these kids.
30?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Probably take me a couple trips.
That's okay. Here, I can help you.
Let's see.
Bill,
What should I do first?
that's heavy.
Okay.
And it's in pieces, so be careful.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay, got it. I'll grab this first and I'll come right back around. Grab this for me.
those balls are heavy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. Thank you.
Now this just hooks on here, okay?
Okay.
Shoot.
Oh, no, you're fine. Cool. I'll grab the croquet set. That should be it, I think. Oh, she's got it. Thank you so much.
Here over here than it is.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
All right, you guys have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
Alright guys, we are back from another yard sale. I'd say we've gotten pretty lucky lately finding some pretty interesting sales, not just your typical baby clothes and kitchen crap and stuff like that. And this one was no exception. Found some really cool vintage stuff. Some of the prices were kind of out there, but I did manage to find quite a few vintage treasures that I'm pretty excited about. So real quick, let me show you the stuff I picked up to resell. I spent, I think it was 30 bucks for everything, which honestly is a freaking steal. Start here for $3. Found these out of place video game controllers and a few random video games. This should probably get our money back. And like I said, it's not a lot of money. It's only 30 bucks, but there's an Xbox 360 controller, the little Wii controller, and then these random games that I should probably be able to lot up for 10 bucks or so. Nothing great in here. A couple DVDs mixed in. We got Wheelman, Madden 11, Sonic Generations, Forza 2, some more DVDs, Rainbow Six Vegas 2, and then a bunch of Guitar Hero games, which are always nice to lot with guitars. So, oh, and there's Tiger Woods 10. So definitely nothing awesome, but I mean, like I said, this should pay for everything, so that's cool. Continuing my trend of finding vintage horseshoes. This is a Regent rubber horseshoe set. Definitely vintage. It was $3. Kind of took a guess on that because it was only $3, and I've been doing so well with horseshoes lately. And I think that we should probably do just fine with this as well. So definitely a cool little pickup for $3. You saw me pick up a croquet set. It was in rough shape. The cart is not in very good shape. The mallets are cracking and peeling and everything. But I paid $4 for the entire set, and I should be able to sell these balls as a lot, and even possibly the stakes, and then maybe these stakes too. But as you can see, the paint's chipping off of them. But for $4, we definitely won't get hurt. I just have a little bit of oversized trash to dispose of somehow. Maybe repurpose. We'll see. Pretty cool. For another $5, got this antique American electric telephone here. I was almost kind of annoyed that this was only $5 because it's so big and I didn't want to buy it, but for $5 I had to, because I think there's a market for this type of thing out there, and I can part this out pretty well. Possibly take this part off and part it out. This is already detached, but I mean, that probably has some value on its own. The bell, like the generator and stuff inside, the crank, you know, all this stuff I could probably part out. Let me know what you would do with this, because it's definitely in rough shape, but I've seen them sell in rough shape too. So honestly, I don't want to ship this entire thing by itself. So I'm thinking parting out is the way to go. But for $5, I think we'll do just fine on that. For $10, I grabbed this upholstery repair kit right here. Definitely worth $10 because this is a Kennedy toolbox. It's a very old Kennedy toolbox, which already has value just empty by itself. The random tools, your nails, all have value on their own, but the thing that sold me on it were of course, the safety glasses, because I love buying safety glasses. These are Welsh manufacturing safety glasses. They need a little cleaning, but I think they'll clean up just fine. And they have a really interesting look to them, like the weird cat eye. These might be women's safety glasses, which is kind of neat too. But if you've been watching this channel very long, you know I always pick up vintage safety glasses, and this was no exception. For $10 for this entire set right here. So we should do really well just kind of parting this out and selling it that way. Probably my favorite find, and something I've actually never sold before, are these vintage pool balls, billiard balls. I have no idea if they're valuable or not. Prices vary like crazy on this kind of thing, so I don't really know what I'm looking for. I got to do more research. I do know that I have looked up this pool rack right here. It's made by Brunswick, and I've seen this pool rack sell for between $40 and $100 just by itself. Paid $5 for this entire set. But aside from that, they just have a really cool look to them. Some of them are starting to crack, which I've seen them sell when they're cracking. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm going to do research, and I'm going to let the comments roll in, hopefully, and hopefully that'll steer me in the right direction. This cue ball has a really cool look to it. I don't know. Let me know, guys, because this is new for me, but I'm excited to learn about this kind of thing because I feel like for $5, this was a definite steal. Here's a closer look at some of them. So that's everything I picked up from that sale. A lot of research ahead of me because this isn't just your typical, look up a model number and go type of situation. But I'm okay with that because I love the treasure hunt and I love finding interesting things like this. So make sure you leave your comments down below. I learn a lot from you guys and I seriously appreciate it. That's what I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching, and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.